Welcome to PenChalet, where every pen tells a story. Today, we're going to dive into the delightful world of affordable fountain pens. Join us as we explore why these pens aren't just tools, but a treasure everyone can enjoy. First up, accessibility. Affordable fountain pens open the door to the elegant writing experience without breaking the bank. Whether you're a student, a professional, or a budding calligrapher, there's a fountain pen that fits your budget. Versatility is another highlight. From the ultra-fine to bold nibs, these fountain pens can offer a variety of different writing styles. They can be perfect for experimenting with your handwriting or for adding flair to your journal. And you can't forget to talk about the ink. Affordable doesn't mean limited. These fountain pens are compatible with a rainbow of different ink colors. Each of the fountain pen ink colors can transform your writing into a personal statement, a work of art, or a mood transition. Durability meets design with these affordable fountain pens. Many of the more affordable options are specifically crafted to be both sturdy and stylish. I consider it proof that elegance isn't exclusively expensive. So whether you're jotting down notes, sketching out ideas, or pinning your next big project, affordable fountain pens are your companions for creativity. Explore the wide range at PenChalet and discover how these fountain pens can bring joy and color to your everyday writing. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your fountain pen stories with us. Happy writing! And shop some affordable fountain pens anytime at PenChalet.com.